Homeowners, you wanted an honest answer to your conservatory dilemma. Yes, your conservatory is too cold in winter and too hot in summer. And yes, you really do need a solution. The problem is that in reality, there are only 3 solutions, and it is likely that one of them will be very costly and disruptive. Tear down the conservatory and build an extension. That will require a trial dig to establish suitable foundations, and may even require underpinning or new foundations altogether before the rebuild can even start. But is there a better way? In truth, the answer is yes. If the roof of your conservatory is serviceable, then one of our insulated ceilings will be very effective and a lot less expensive. It also requires no building control consent in most circumstances. Where the existing roof is not economically serviceable, Rundle Dorey are proud to offer the best solution of all, the Pinnacle range of lightweight tiled conservatory roof replacements. A conservatory roof that, although tiled, does not overstress the weight constraints in the existing conservatory structure. A conservatory roof that is building regulations certificated. A conservatory roof that is perfectly insulated and yet supremely lightweight. A conservatory roof that will add real value to your property. A conservatory roof that is custom made just for your conservatory. A conservatory roof where you can choose tiles, lighting, opening roof windows, and more. Until now, you had very few realistic and cost-effective solutions. No longer, my friends, no longer. Rundle Dorey present their unique range of bespoke conservatory roof replacements, the Pinnacle range. Engineered using cutting-edge technology, the Pinnacle range is like no other. It is lighter than all that the competition has to offer. It can be used at very low angle rake. Again, more so than any of the competition. Forget the doubts that may have been sown regarding a new conservatory tiled roof being too heavy. Now, you can have a beautiful yet practical solution to enhance your conservatory and home. Whether the conservatory is too hot or too cold, leaking or not, you now have the complete answer. In addition to the excellent insulated conservatory ceiling system that we've been offering for many years, we proudly present to you the Rundle Dorey Pinnacle range of conservatory roof replacements.